Happy Monday vlog everyone! Today's video is we are going here at the Koreatown and we're gonna eat here at the quarters Korean barbecue with the Michelin Stars. So come on guys, join us and let's see what they can offer and discover what kind of food they have.
Nice, huh?
Yeah, I like her too. And finally, we are here. We are going to that restaurant and here we are at the patio while we are waiting for our table. Look at this amazing view. And look at that. For beef, what kind of cut? You can see it there. This is the side of the restaurant and finally we are here in our table and that's the appetizer, soy sauce and salad. That's a tofu and this is the soy sauce. And another salad is a different kind, kimchi as well as broccoli. And that's our waiter. He's the one to do the barbecue with. It's a good service. Look at that. That's the prime rib eye. This one I believe is a pork belly.
Wow. Okay.
What is it?
It's something pancake, I don't know.
Here's the kimchi, broccoli, and more meat.
Look at my woman.
And here's the bulgogi. And here's the pork chop, pork belly, and I don't know the other one. But all of those is everything is pork. Almost cooked. Now ready to eat. And here's the surrounding of the restaurant. And finally, we are leaving here now. Actually, the food is very good. It's disturbing for Michelin Star. And we are on the way to the parking lot to get our car. So this is the surrounding of Koreatown. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it my video.